I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by spotting what fuels obsession. List the 3 strongest triggers now and rank them by impact. Once done, keep a simple log for 7 days noting time, duration, mood, and context so patterns emerge. Make sure to commit to a 10-minute cooling-off plan you will use when urges spike. This gives you breathing room and control. By doing these steps immediately, you turn vague worry into measurable data and create a reliable first line of defense. You now replace the urge with concrete alternatives. Choose 2 activities you can do for 5 to 20 minutes when obsession hits and practice them immediately. Meanwhile, challenge one obsessive thought daily by asking, is this true, useful, or actionable? Once you reframe that thought into a neutral statement, your emotional charge drops. Make sure to use scheduled worry. Set 2 15-minute windows each day to process concerns, so they stop intruding at random times and you regain control. You finish by building a 4-week maintenance plan with clear weekly goals and simple rituals that reinforce new habits. Once implemented, track any relapse signals, note frequency, intensity, and triggers so you can adjust quickly. Make sure to celebrate small wins to sustain motivation. If progress stalls, pause the demanding strategies, reduce exposure to main triggers, and reach out to a trusted person or professional for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.